Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making mushroom chicken pot pie. This is so amazingly delicious. The pie crust is scrumptious. The filling is absolutely amazing, and I hope you guys try this. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. These are the ingredients. I already pre-made my all butter pastry crust. The link will be in the description box. And I am using rotisserie chicken, guys. This is just a regular rotisserie chicken. It's easier. I mean, you guys can do your own chicken, but I just picked this up and try to get this done as fast as possible. Then we are going to pull the chicken apart into little pieces, just like that. And I'm using the skin and the bones to make that amazing stock. The link will also be in the description. Now to a preheated pan, I added 3 tablespoons of oil, some onions, garlic, and we are allowing this to cook for about 2.5 minutes. Then we are going to add some all-purpose flour. Give that a good stir. Let that cook for an additional 2 minutes. Then we go in with our frozen peas and carrots. Here guys, I am using mushrooms. Now you guys can omit the mushrooms, but I love mushrooms and I just wanted to use it. Alright, the filling is going to be slightly darker, and that is perfectly fine. There I just added some amazing stock I made from the bones and the skin and my herbs from the rotisserie. Give that a good stir. Here guys, I would like you to adjust your seasoning to your likeness and taste. Taste as you go. Alright, now we are going to add our heavy cream. Give that a good stir also. If it's perfect, allow this to thicken. Then we go in with our chicken. Alright, we are going to give that a good stir, and we are going to roll our pastry crust out just like that, and I'm using my rolling pin to transfer that mixture to my dish. We are going to fill that up with that amazing filling, and then we are going to place the top right over. Looks amazing. We are going to clean that up, remove all the excess, just like that, and then we are going to tuck that in all the way around, just like that. And then we are going to do the crimp. Now if you cannot do the crimp, you can use a fork and press the edges down to seal that. That is absolutely, perfect. You can do that. Then we are going to egg wash this, and we are going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. I just added some black pepper and slit the top of the pie before placing it in the oven. If you think it's burning, if you think it's browning too quickly, you can go ahead and add a paper over. And after 40 minutes, this is what the result is, guys. Absolutely amazing. Golden. This was super delicious. And I hope you guys really try this recipe. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And if you find this video interesting and you like what you see, please share it. Thank you, and you guys have a wonderful day. See you on the next video. Bye bye.